Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm over the moon. What about you?
I'm also good. Hello, everybody. Once again, I welcome you all to this channel, Insight Academy English. Today we have Neha with us, and it's been a long time since when we have not been on this channel with Neha. So it's her second video that we are gonna upload today, and I have a lot of questions today because the basics of the English has already been talked about. So now we will move forward with the questions. So are you excited, ma'am, today?
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay, should we start?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, that's crazy. What's your name?
My name is Neha.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from UP, Mathura.
What do you like to do in your free time?
So when I'm free, I like to do lots of things.
Like,
I like to sleep. I like to watch so many movies. I like to cook something new. I like to try something new.
do you have any plans for the weekend?
No, I don't have any plans for weekend.
Okay, are you learning English nowadays?
Yes, I'm learning English.
Okay, so what do you feel? How was your last day? Yesterday? How was
My
that
last
day?
day was not very good and also not very bad because yesterday was my holiday on account of second Saturday, and like I whole day I sleep. I sleep.
You only slept.
No, I don't. I did not slept whole day. I some time
For a very short period of time.
for a very short period of time. I do some my school work. I do some my tuition subject tuition work. I do converse with my sister.
Have you been to Taj Mahal?
No, I have not been to Taj Mahal.
Have you been to Lal Killa?
No,
Really?
really.
Since when have you been living in Delhi?
I have been living in Delhi, I think 14 years.
For 14 years.
For 14 years.
But still you have never been to
No,
Lal Killa.
see.
Am I right?
Yeah, you are right.
Any specific reason that your family is not supporting
Not
your
my family is supporting, but my family have not. My family has not time.
Your family does not have time.
Sorry, my family does not have time.
Really?
Yeah, you can say.
Okay, like it's been 14 years since when you have been living
Yeah,
in
it's
this.
very like.
Okay. So have you ever been to Akshardham temple?
Yes, I have been to Akshardham temple, and it's seriously, it's very
Amazing.
amazing. Seriously.
Why? Why do you find it amazing? There is just a building and so many sketches are there and
No, the view, the temp. Seriously, like the. Uh,
the overall experience was very crazy.
yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
You like temples?
I like temples. I like peaceful areas, but I know there is so many crowd. But still, I like.
What do you think? Should we shift for a topic? Should I start a topic?
Of course.
Do you believe in gods?
Sir, please leave this. I can left.
No, we can talk about this.
No, I can left this.
You can leave it.
Yes.
But my question again to you is that do you believe in gods?
I sir, please, can you leave it?
Okay. Okay, no problem. As you are not interested to answer my question, so I will change my question. Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee rather than tea
Why?
because
It
I don't
sounds like decent.
no, not decent. I don't
Sounds like that. Oh my god, tea, चाय तो हर कोई
no,
पीता है,
no, no,
गरीब
no.
भी पी लेता
Like
है.
personally, I don't like tea.
Okay.
In my childhood, I used to take milk, but now I used to take coffee.
Now I take to coffee.
Sorry,
Not
now
used
I
to.
take to coffee.
Used to is used when you
Yeah,
are.
yeah, I forgot.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is aloo ke parathe.
Aloo ke paranthe. Are you able to make it on your own?
Yes, I'm able to make it on my own, but not very good like my mother, like my elders.
Okay, so being a girl, do you not think that you should be able to cook and mix all kinds of
Yes.
dishes?
I should be able to cook and make dishes, but sometimes when I have time, so I try to cook food.
Do you like your school?
Yeah, I like to school, but nowadays school is very hectic. See,
Why do you feel that school is very hectic?
like
like thousands and millions of people are studying in school and they are making their
Yeah,
future
yeah,
bright.
yeah.
But at the same time, you feel that schools are very hectic, and you are
Because-
studying in the schools of Delhi, and the capital of India, and they
Not
claim that
that-
our education system is equal to the American people. Like as the chief minister has said already that in Delhi we are providing you the best education. So what's your opinion about that?
Because they go. Let me explain. In my old school, so there is my friend.
There were
There were my friend, my best friend, and her name is Prerna. And so that time, whenever whenever I had some tension, I had something were bothering me, so I can I could ex-
I could explain to them. I could have asked for help.
I could have asked for help, but now this is school. I don't have any kind of friend, and I don't want to make it. Seriously, really, I don't want to make it. I only focus on my career goals, and
Okay.
because my
So now I got my point. So do you believe that friends are not important in our life?
friends is important. As I said, I have a best friend.
So what? As at the same time you are saying that I had a best friend, like I have a best friend, but she was in my old school,
Yes.
and in new school I'm not interested to make any kind of new friend. But why are you not interested to make any kind of new friend?
Because
If you
I-
are not able to make a new friend, if you don't make a new friend, then how will your journey be easy for your whole life?
I don't want to, because I don't want. I don't know why, but seriously,
Are you not still in touch with your best friend?
I am still in. I am still touching my best friend and
Touch with
yes,
my best friend.
touch with in my best
In touch with my best friend.
in touch with my best friend, and still yesterday at night I talked her at a phone call.
Okay. So do you feel that your best friend will watch this video?
Yes, I feel this, and
So how she is going to react after watching the video? What do
I
you
don't
feel?
know how, but I think and I feel he will very happy.
She will be very
sorry,
happy.
she will very happy to
She
see.
will be very happy.
She will be very happy to see this video.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets, but
Do you like pets?
Yeah, I like pets. I like dogs.
Dogs. Why?
I don't know why, but I like dogs. I like also rabbit. I love rabbits, and I want to take a pet.
And don't you love your family?
No, I love my family. That's why that's why I don't get any pet.
So your family is against getting pets?
Exactly. That's
My
why.
God, such a dramatic family.
Such a-
You know. If I give you a chance to leave that family, would you like to leave that?
No, never.
Why they are not allowing you to have pets?
So
They are not allowing
so
you.
what?
So what? They are bad people for you.
No, they're not a bad people, but
They are
someti-
bad people. They are not letting you do
No,
that
you
what
can't
you are
say this.
wanted. Like whatever you want, they are not letting you to do that. So they are bad people or good people for
Some
you?
things, sometimes I think they are not comfortable. That's why.
Have you ever had a pet?
No, I didn't have.
Really?
Yes.
You have never had a pet.
Never.
What is something you are looking forward to learning? Like after learning English, what that one thing that you would like to learn?
After learning English.
Yes.
So there's a lot of things. I would like to learning. Sorry, I want to like to learn editing. I want to learn dancing. I want to learn swimming.
You are good at dancing. मेरी कार ये active है.
Yeah. Not good. Like it's a calm chalao dance.
Oh, so you want to be a professional dancer?
Professional dancer. And I want to learning swimming also.
I want to learn.
I want to learn swimming.
Why didn't you learn it yet? Why did you not learn it yet? You should have learnt it. Like you are curious to learn dancing. Why didn't you learn it?
Now this time I don't have time because school to tuition to homework and all this kind of things.
Okay. What is your most cherished childhood memory? Any memory that you loved, that you still love,
Yes.
that you still feel that, oh my god, this was the best moment of my life?
Yes, I have.
Would you like to share it
Of
with
course,
us?
like sometimes ago in my childhood, every Saturday, my father said, सुनाने को,
What sunana means? डांट मारना या
Stories.
recite.
Recite. My father
Recited.
recited us his childhood stories at night, like at 12 o'clock. And there is a best ever childhood, seriously, best ever childhood memory that I ever had. And
Okay. Can you tell us about something about that story, like what your father was telling you, what your father used to tell you?
her memory.
His memory.
Sorry, his memories. He told us his memories.
He told us.
He told us his memories. He told how my grandfather scolded my father.
Okay. So do you have a long family, a joint family?
I have a long joint family.
Do you feel that they will watch this video?
I feel.
What do you think? Would they like to watch the video? Really?
Of course, because they don't have time.
Really, they don't
Yeah.
even have 10 minutes or 15 minutes to watch that their
No.
one of their siblings or one of their daughter is like recording a video. She's
My
speaking.
father, my father, my grandfather is a farmer, so that's why.
So what? My grandfather is also a farmer. That doesn't mean that they are not educated and they are not aware about the things.
I don't know, and I can't say in this topic anything.
Okay, that's nice. That's crazy. Okay, can you swim?
No, I can't swim. As I said, I want to
Learn swimming.
learning swim.
Okay, can you ride a bicycle?
I
Like your sister is able to ride
of
a
course,
bike.
my sister
Okay,
is able to
ride
ride
a
bullet.
But still at the same time you are not able to ride a bicycle. Should you not be ashamed of yourself?
What ashamed?
Really, you should have learned it. Why still
Yeah,
you are lagging
I
behind it?
also want to learn
But if you wanted to learn and if you want to learn, then why did you not learn it yet? What were you doing that time when she was learning?
because
She is your younger sister, not elder sister. But
I-
still you have not been in that situation. Why?
because he is
She's
sorry, her height is like
bigger than you.
bigger than me.
She's taller than you.
Yes, she's taller than me.
But
Her
I don't think so that for riding a bicycle you need to have a great height.
great height.
Yes.
Of course, we need.
You can manage that seat, okay? You can pull it down and you can pull it up, okay? At the same time. What do you think, ma'am?
I don't know why, but
Can you cook food?
yeah, I can. Cook
What types of food are you able to cook?
I'm able to cook aloo ke parathe. I'm able to cook like एक second. Chinese food.
Do you remember that? How did you celebrate your last birthday?
Yeah, I remember very
Can
well.
you tell us the whole story? When did you wake up? After waking up, what did you expect? And what after that, what happened to you?
No.
And how the things were going on in order to celebrate your birthday?
I don't know very well, but some एक second. Let me remember.
Okay.
At my birthday. So firstly, I woke up at I don't know at which time, and after that, my parents, my mother, my sister, my brother, they wished me and they gave so many blessings me.
Wow.
Yes, and I insist my father to take leave, but he can't. He couldn't.
Really?
Yeah.
Like really, he's your father and he should be proud of you and he should be
know,
very happy.
where you-
He did not take leave. Why? Why?
Because-
I'm asking why.
I don't know why, but it's okay. I don't like seriously. I don't feel.
Why is it okay? It's your birthday. It comes
I
only
know
once in
it's
a
my
year.
birthday, but still, they wake up before me and they wished me. They gave blessings to me. So it's
what?
enough for me.
They are parents, so it's their responsibility. So being a parent, they will have to do all of such
Our
kind of
parents
steps.
have so many responsibilities, so we can't insist.
I don't feel that it is right that if he went to his job on the date of your birthday, it's a
okay.
great occasion,
It's
ma'am.
okay, but after birthday, he's came back from
He
her.
came back.
Sorry, he came back from her
His-
his job early, and it's it's cool. For
Okay,
me.
then after that, what did he do? How did he celebrate your birthday?
He got me.
Yeah, he got.
He got the cake for me, a surprise cake, and my mother cooked. My mother makes so many delicious dishes like my favorite shahi paneer. Shahi paneer, puri, raita, and all like this type of things.
Okay.
And in my home, my friend Prerna, they also came my home.
She also
She
came.
also came my home. Sorry, Mia. She
Okay.
also came my home.
Where were you born?
I
was born
was born in Mathura.
in Mathura.
Yes.
Do you like Mathura?
Yes, I like Mathura
Why?
absolutely
Why? Absolutely. Why?
because Mathura is my birthplace. Mathura is my like child.
If you love Mathura, if you like Mathura, then why are you living in Delhi?
I'm living in Delhi because for some reasons.
What are those reasons?
Because I have to study.
Can't you study at Mathura?
I have to study in Mathura, but like there are so many differences.
Like what?
Uh,
Can't you tell me right now?
yes.
Okay. Uh, and where did you grow up?
I grow
I
up.
grew up
I grew up at Mathura.
in Mathura.
Yes, in Mathura. But when I was, I think, 9 years old, then I came there.
You came to Delhi.
Yes.
Who was your best friend in your school?
My best friend in my school, it was Prerna.
Prerna.
Yes.
But you met Prerna. Like in which class did you meet? Did you meet with
I
Prerna?
met Prerna in 7th class, 6th class.
Okay, so before 7th and 6th class, who was your best friend?
I think her name is Nancy.
Nancy.
But he is now.
She.
Sorry.
Why are you making such
Sorry,
kind of
sorry,
mistakes
sorry,
which are very silly?
But now she's not in my touch.
Why?
With my
Oh my
touch.
god.
Yes.
How did it happen?
I don't know why.
Why she's not?
I think he is not want
She.
to talk.
What the hell is she doing right now?
I think she don't want to talk.
She does not.
She does not want to talk to me.
Why?
I don't know why.
She has attitude?
I don't know why.
Actually, you are in front of camera, so that's why you can't speak. And you must be abusing
No.
inwardly, okay? Yeah, I know that. What was your favorite subject in your school?
In my school, my favorite subject, it was English.
English. You have always liked English.
Yes.
That's
Because
crazy.
math, I hate math, seriously.
Okay. What was your favorite toy?
My favorite toy. My favorite toy. Doll. My favorite toy.
You like dolls?
I like dolls.
Yeah,
But-
you are also a doll.
Thank you. I like dolls.
Thank you. It was not a compliment.
कोई बात नहीं. I like dolls and हाँ there.
What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend,
Yeah.
I don't remember.
You don't remember. I have asked multiple questions to you today. Now it's your turn to ask.
Okay, so what did you do? What did you do on your last weekend?
On my last weekend, I was lying on the bed.
Oh, you are.
As you know that I have been suffering from
Yes,
typhoid
yes,
for a
yes,
very
I
long period of time, so that's why I was not able to shoot video. I was not able to make video. I was even not able to take classes.
That's why.
Yeah.
That's why now.
Okay.
Okay, so did you ever had a cherished memory?
Cherished memory.
Yeah.
I don't have any childhood cherished memory, but if I remember, so when I used to play marbles and when I used to win the game, so it was a great moment for me. It used to be really a great moment for me because suppose if I only had 5 marbles or 4 marbles, and after playing the game I had 12 marbles, 20 marbles.
Oh, the
So it was a
happy-
great victory for me,
happiness.
really. I used to study at the same time. I used to follow the rules and regulations of my family members, and at the same time I also used to play.
So did you ever had a pet?
Did you ever have a pet?
Did you ever have a pet?
Yes, we had a pet, and his name was Seru. He was a dog.
You had?
Yeah, we had, and he was really a crazy dog. Yeah, literally, like we have a lot of memories related to that.
Now it is.
Where is he?
हाँ sorry, where is?
Rama, Rama, japte,
Okay,
japte.
okay. So do you like to play with marbles? Did you
Yes.
like to play with marbles?
I used to play a lot. A lot means really a lot.
Okay, so can you tell me the childhood games?
Yeah, there were multiple types of games that I would like to play. I would play marbles. I would play playing cards, Tash. Okay.
Okay.
And there were variety of games in Tash, and I was the master of that game. And at the same time, I used to play Gucci Mama.
Gucci, can you tell me what is this?
Gucci Mama is a game, and it has different names in different regions. And let me tell you the whole process of this game.
We are excited.
First of all, we would be like this, and there used to be a stick, and we would throw that stick inside this. And whose stick will go very far, he will be the winner, and whose stick will be very near, he will be the loser. And then we will throw a ball very far from our locations.
Okay.
Suppose we are 4 players, so we will be 4 will make a hole, and we all will stand up on that hole. That hole belongs to me. Now this hole belongs to me. That hole belongs to you. And the person who was a loser, he will go in touch with that ball, and he will throw that ball on us. Okay, we have to hit that ball by the stick. If anyhow that ball touches our body, then I will be the thief. Then I will have to go for the turn. Otherwise, I will make him run. Okay.
Okay.
So it was really fantastic game, and I used to play a lot. I have
Sounds
bought
crazy.
multiple, you can say, numerous number of balls, plastic balls, and then leather balls, and then
Leather balls?
Yeah, leather balls too. And then there used to be a stumper. I don't remember the names. If the people around me must be watching, we had a joint family. Like we were, you can say, 8 to 9 members. Okay, of same age groups, with a difference of 6 to 7 years.
Cousins and all.
Yeah, cousins, and also we used to play a lot, literally, and people used to make fun of me because I was a loser at playing
You
cricket.
were a loser?
At playing cricket. I was never like not a loser. You can say an average
you-
player. But if I talk about Gucci Mama, so like it's a crazy
You
game.
are-
You know what? What was the main movement in this game? Suppose somehow you are here, you are standing here with your hole, and the ball is just near to you, just 2 steps away, and you are not able to hit it because you cannot leave that hole.
Yes.
If you leave that hole, and that person came there, and he touches that hole, he covered that hole. So now he will be standing here, and you will have to go there. So that game was really crazy. And once if I hit you and it touches you, then you cannot hit me back unless somebody hit that ball by the stick.
Stick.
Yeah. So I was like Mama. Yeah, I'm your Mama. Gucci Mama. Yeah. Gucci means a hole. Like it's a crazy name, I know. So it has various names, and the main thing that is enjoyable here. Suppose somebody is throwing ball at you, and you kicked that ball very hardly. Now the ball has gone very far. Now you can move forward because
forward.
he's near the ball.
You-
He will
yes.
not be able to come here. If he comes
So
here,
you
then
have
he will also run.
You had chance.
Okay, then he again throw the ball, and then again you hit the ball, and it goes more far.
Oh, I see.
But one more thing, the climax is that suppose you are hitting the ball, and ball blows up in the sky, and if he catches the ball, and after catching the ball, he can throw it more far. Now the person who has hit the ball, now he will have to go.
Oh,
And that person who was a thief, who was giving the turn, now he will come to the point.
okay.
So yeah, it was a crazy game. Today I got a lot of memories from that game. And after that I used to play Gitti with my sister.
Gitti?
Yeah, Gitti. Like
Oh.
not that Gitti. We used to have Gitti. Don't you know that Gitti?
No.
Which we use while building our
Okay.
home. It was like throw one and then click one, throw
Yeah,
two and click two.
in my village, its
Its name is
Kang,
Kanchi.
Kanchi.
Kanchi. Yeah. It can have different names, but the game is the same.
Like a piece of
Yeah,
stones.
piece of stones. Like you will have a lot of piece of stones,
Yes.
and there are multiple types of games.
Multiple types.
Okay, it was there used to be a game like throw
And
put
yes,
in
yes,
down,
yes.
okay? So I have played a lot this game, and after that I used to play चोर सिपाही. चोर सिपाही का पता लगाओ मेरा मंत्री कौन.
Yes. Chain.
Okay.
Bandi chain.
Yeah, chain and Chappal Chor.
Chappal
And Chappal
Chor,
Chor used to be
it's-
my favorite, and I was totally scared of this game. But whenever I got a chance, I have beaten a lot of people. It was like you make a circle and you have to
Yes,
be there
yes.
and मारते रहो. Okay, and I have climbed on so many trees at the same time. We used to go to steal mangoes. At night,
Did you steal
yeah, I
mangoes?
have stolen mangoes at night after 12 o'clock, at 12 o'clock, at 1 p.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m. with torches and a jhola, like a bag in your hand, and
yeah,
you're going
for-
there. And like when you go there and you collect a lot of mangoes, and when it's the morning, and when you see those mangoes, then you feel very happy.
Right.
Oh my God, this is my achievement. You know, and people used to be there around there, you can say mango trees, and they were like, I will not let anyone come here, and I will not let anyone
Yes, yes.
take our mangoes. So there is a lot of memories, okay, and I have really lived my life very crazily. I think I have talked a lot today.
Do you miss your childhood?
No, I don't miss my childhood,
But
but
why?
sometimes I feel that now the responsibilities that are hitting me are very crazy, are not very comfortable. So I should not be having such kind of responsibilities. But you know, as the age grows up, you have to do that.
Okay.
Okay, so I think it's a long video now. We should now stop talking because they are
Nice
getting
to
bored.
meet you.
Nice talking to you, ma'am.